Noob energy. If you guys are watching this video, hit me up. We have to do something together, because this is by far the best energy drink without no sugary aftertaste, that disgusting sugary powder, whatever you want to call it, aftertaste. It's just perfect. I don't know where you guys been my whole life, but amazing recipe. Love it. If you guys never tried out Noob Energy, I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not affiliated by them. Throw away your garbage G Fuels or whatever you guys drink. Try it out at noobenergy.com or something like that, but check them out. Now, this video is going to be about the GoPro Hero 10 rig. And yes, I know GoPro has been out 10 for about almost a year, and GoPro 11 coming out, but the rig won't change that much. Now there is going to be a slight few changes, I hope, that GoPro brings. Hopefully they get rid of the media mod kit, and I'll tell you why later on. It's just an awful design, and do some adjustments. But let's get started currently, and I'll show you what I'm running at the moment. Now, as you guys could see, this is my setup right over here. It's nice, sturdy, perfect, very portable. The tripod, if you want, you could extend it. Things like that, made out of carbon fiber, so it's kind of light. So I will kind of go over what I have here, and I haven't brought it up here, and then I'll change angles and I'll show you guys kind of close-ups of what is happening, okay? So let's get started. So this small rig right over here, as you could see, I have it mounted here, and the reason, even though the Ulanzi has two hot shoes, I'm using the DJI mic, wireless one, and the DJI's hot shoe for some reason falls out of here because it's very skinny, and I'll show you that later on. So I had to come up with a solution, and my solution was the small rig. What do you want to call it? Cold shoe mount small rig. And you press the button here and you could remove it, and then when the button is on, it doesn't slide out because there's a little bump here. So this was a lifesaver. Now I am running Ulanzi case right over here. Where is it? Yes, the Ulanzi housing cage is what you want to call it. And the reason why I went with Ulanzi housing cage is because, first of all, it has easy access to your battery. So there's a switch right over here. You lift it up, and your battery is right over there. And then when you want to close it, even though I have a USB-C connection, it closes perfectly right over here with the USB-C. Now on the right side, you got the microphone adapter. Where is it at? The GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. And the reason why I'm using this is because I hate the design of media mod, because once you put the media mod on your GoPro, you don't have access to your battery, and that creates a huge problem because everyone knows GoPro batteries don't last long, about 45 minutes, and then you would have to remove the whole media mod kit, remove it from the tripod, remove the battery, put it in, and it was a mess. So Ulanzi solves the problem. Now, unfortunately, the GoPro 10 does not let you connect USB-C to a 3.5mm mic directly. So you do need this GoPro 3.5 mic adapter. And this adapter fits perfectly in the Ulanzi case. And then the USB-C just plugs in, and you could just literally open the battery case with the USB-C coming out and coming in perfectly. Life changer. Now, usually, if I'm recording right now on my other camera, but this mic would be, the transmitter would be right over here, and I'll show you later on, connected to this. Now, what I have next is, we've been through this Ulanzi quick release. So check this out. You just spin it, remove it, and then you could get multiple Ulanzi mounts. And let me show you guys. So for example, this is a suction cup, right? All you would have to do is put it in, spin it, and that's it. very easy. You get a few of this release, quick release Ulanzi case adapters, and you never have to remove it from the original mount ever again. And it just solves all the problems because now you could switch accessories in a breeze. Yeah. Next, we have the DJI mic wireless, what I'm wearing right now. I'll talk about that later. And we also have the Ulanzi mini carbon fiber desk tripod. And I like it because it mostly could go flat, but at the same time it unscrews and gives you a little bit more length. And the carbon fiber just adds slickness to it, I guess. So it took me a while to order a bunch of different adapters, cases, lenses, lens kits, and things like that. But I finally came up with this solution, and I think I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, and no one really came up with the perfect rig. I think this is as close as perfect as it will get with the GoPro Hero 10. Now, if you have different rigs, DM me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Show me your rigs. I'm really curious because maybe I haven't found other parts, but I think this is as close as perfect as it gets. Now, let's switch camera angles. Let's kind of go over close up on what is happening on the rig, all right? All right, so let's roll. Now, we're going to come back to this part later on in the video. Now, right over here, as you could see, Ulanzi cage, right? And it's perfectly fitted, as you could see right here. And here's the button I was talking about. So when you press this button, this opens up and gives you access to the battery. So you could easily remove the battery, put a new one in. Now, even though I have it plugged in with USB-C, as you could see, it closes perfectly in and snaps in, and that's it. Now, this is the 3.5 millimeter adapter from GoPro that you need if you want to be using the DJI accessory. And this is how the DJI comes. The set comes with a lightning adapter, USB-C adapter, 2 mics, one I'm using, and the transmitter. Now, if you guys want to have a whole video breakdown on this DJI mic wireless, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a video kind of showing you how this works. But I found this to work better than the Rode mic. Now, the quick release, as you guys could see, all you have to do is spin it, and there's just magnets. And then you could just attach it to another, didn't spin it all the way, attach it to the other accessories, and it's not gonna go nowhere. And then to remove it, you just spin it again and attach it back. And as you could see, there's like little ridges right here. You have to line them up and spin them. And then we got the carbon fiber tripod. Very nice and slick, as you could see. Now, let's go to the transmitter real quick. So as you could see, this transmitter, it comes with this little weird adapter, the hot shoe, I guess. And it just slides in. Right over here. Sorry, out of focus, guys. And then this hot shoe was falling out of this part right over here. See, it's very loose, you see? So what I came up, I had to kind of cut half of it off in order to fit it in this mount. And what happens now is I could slide it in and it locks right behind. And the only way to unlock it, I have to press the button and remove it. Alright guys, well, that's about it. I think I gave you all the info you'll need on the perfect GoPro Hero 10 rig. If you're interested in any of the parts, I will have links to the Amazon down in the description. They are affiliate links. If you buy them using them, I do get some sort of commission, and it does help me. I mean, I get to keep on finding new gadgets, electronics for you guys, and make reviews for you guys. And also, if you like the video, subscribe, hit that like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. It helps me keep making these videos for you guys. Now, this is Techaton's Tech Talk channel video. I do have Techaton's Crypto Talk channel, which will be in the description as well. I talk about play to earn games, crypto things, stuff like that. I also have Anton Novikov 2.0, which is my vlog, IRL vlogs. I kind of cover different things when I travel, so take a look at that. I'll have a link down in the description. Otherwise, guys, appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.